Hey guys, gaming enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got something special for all you gamers out there. The Razer Blade 14 gaming laptop. This ultra-thin powerhouse is packed with top-tier specs and we're diving into all the details. Let's jump right in. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this laptop from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First things first, let's talk about the beating heart of this gaming beast, the processor and graphics. Powering the Razer Blade 14 is the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX CPU, delivering the processing muscle needed for a top-notch gaming experience. And when it comes to graphics, it's equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti, ensuring you can push those frame rates to the max for a truly immersive gaming session. Now, let's shift our focus to what you stare at for hours. The display. The Razer Blade 14 features a gorgeous 14-inch QHD display with a refresh rate of 165 Hz. Whether you're deep into gaming or tackling creative tasks, this display promises vibrant colors and smooth visuals for an unparalleled visual experience. What's under the hood in terms of memory and storage? This gaming laptop comes with a whopping 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and quick response times in the heat of battle. And for your game library and other files, it's equipped with a spacious 1 TB PCIe SSD, delivering lightning-fast storage speeds. The Razer Blade 14 laptop delivers an exceptional gaming performance that stands out in the competitive world of gaming laptops. Powered by the potent AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX CPU and the formidable NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti, this sleek machine ensures a smooth and immersive gaming experience. The 14-inch QHD display with a 165 Hz refresh rate brings games to life with vibrant colors and fluid motion. Paired with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, the Blade 14 handles multitasking effortlessly, providing quick response times even in the most demanding gaming scenarios. With a 1 TB PCIe SSD, loading times are minimal, ensuring that you spend more time gaming and less time waiting. The ultra-thin design adds to the appeal, making it not just a powerhouse but a portable gaming companion. Whether you're into competitive esports or exploring expansive open-world adventures, the Razer Blade 14 excels in delivering the gaming performance that enthusiasts crave. Let's talk about the software and the sleek design of the Razer Blade 14. Running on the latest and greatest, the Razer Blade 14 comes preloaded with Windows 11, providing a modern and optimized gaming experience. And let's not forget the form factor, ultra-thin, making it not just a powerful gaming machine but a portable one too. Wrapping things up, the Razer Blade 14 gaming laptop is a serious contender in the gaming laptop arena. With a potent combination of AMD's Ryzen 9 processor and RTX 3080 Ti, a stunning QHD display, and a generous amount of RAM and storage, it's built to handle whatever you throw at it. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or both, this laptop has the specs to keep you on top of your game. What are your thoughts on the Razer Blade 14? Are there any specific features you're excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to your channel name, and ring that notification bell for more gaming and tech content. Until next time, happy gaming!